Hey everyone, I am Ajith, a UX designer. Today I am trying Figma Make for the very first time. I have seen so many videos about it and I really want to see how it's work in real life. So let's explore it together and find out if it's really useful for designers like us. Figma Make is a new AI tool inside Figma. It helps you create designs and prototypes just by typing what you want. For example, you can say create a login screen with username and password and it builds everything for you. Alright, let's test it together. I have opened Figma and clicked on Make. I will type create a mobile login screen with username, password and login button. I'm clicking on it. Okay, wow, it's actually made a simple login screen. This is my first time using it, so I'm exploring it just like you. So far I like how fast it is. It saves time, especially when you want to test a quick idea. For brainstorming, it feels fun to use. But to be honest, the design is very basic. We still need to refine the layout and colors. It's not ready for final work yet, but it's a good starting point. So my first experience with Figma Make, it's exciting, fast and great for early ideas, but it still needs more power of complex designs. If you are a designer, you should try to. Let me know what do you think about Figma Make in the comments, and if you enjoy this honest first try, please like and subscribe for more content. I am Ajith. See you in the next one.